package. Yep. Man, what's up, guys? Today is the day. The package has arrived. I've been waiting a lot of months for it, and I haven't seen you all in a while, but hey, Auto Addiction has got it. Some of you all know what this is, but you don't know what it is to the vehicle that I have. So, you know, every time I get something new, I always got to show it off for the CA. You know I was going to say that. So, stay with me, and you see the manufacturer there. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Auto Addiction. This is where it comes from. I'm going to link it in the bio to what it is. So, y'all make sure y'all stay with me, because the next scene, I'm going to be at the shop getting it installed. We are here with the man himself, the automotive enthusiast. If you guys don't know, this man right here, he does all the modifications to cars that you would not even understand. So what's your project for today? Oh, let me first off say his name is Abe. And what's the name of your company?
Fargus Automotive Solutions.
And what city are you located in?
Bellwood, Illinois.
All right, so he's gonna tell you all a little bit about his little project that he's doing today.
Well, apparently we're gonna be swapping out some taillights on Mr. Ryan's CA Corvette.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I wanna see exactly what he got in mind once we unbox those things.
Exactly, and as you all will see, I'll be explaining to you all the reason why I'm doing it and why I was wondering why GM didn't do it. But it's what can I say, an accent type of modification. So this is the before video with the factory rear tail lights. We're going to be switching those out for the new tail lights, and once we get this done, I'll get you all to get a chance to see what it looks like. Yep. So whenever you're trying to take these bumpers off, you guys are aware that you have to take this vehicle up in the air, right? No, you do. All right. And with my car being so low, oh my God. First time I seen it this high up off the ground.
Big Mama Yama.
Man, that's a big Mama Jama right there, guys. Wow. Man.
Hi.
I'm not a mechanic.
You see somebody there?
Ooh, you gotta take all this off before you take these tires. You take the bumper off. You gotta take the tires off, because you got bolts. I know you guys seen a lot of people,
I think
you know, doing this.
Because it keeps dropping. I
Yes.
didn't charge it, and I was able to start your car.
Wow.
But, you know.
This carbon fiber rear diffuser is really aggressive.
How it did overnight.
Anyone interested in knowing about it, just post your comment and I will put the link in the description. But this is my Z-Ray wheel. This is wheel number 2 of 899. Man, I can't get over how thick this tire is. What you guys thought? I was gonna be the one taking this bumper off? I would literally tear that whole car up trying to take that off. I am not mechanically in charge, okay, at all. That is not my expertise. I'm good at cleaning and driving. That's all you're gonna see. But let me show you where I'm at right now, okay? We got bolts on the floor. We got tape up here. And I'm just waiting, okay? As you all know, this vehicle is a 2020. This is when it was built. Car number 31, March 11, 2020. The rear bumper has been removed. This is my brake light. I call it my F1 light, guys. And we're doing the unboxing now of the rear tail lights and the removal of the current lights. It's Christmas. It's Christmas. Auto Addict USA. Mod it, break it, fix it, repeat it. Man. Ooh, let me see that baby. Turn around this way. Yeah, that's how it's gonna look. Oh wow. Yeah, that's gonna look nice. That matches my wrap.
You what?
The wrap. The wrap on the car. It matches the wrap.
Is that a Camaro taillight?
Oh, is that a Camaro? Is that a Camaro taillight? Is that a Camaro?
What?
Let's go. Let's see.
El derecho.
Wow. Christmas in October. Wow. So those lights will be matching this car. Work. He's doing the work. Cause me, I mess it up. I would totally mess it up. So you thought I was just gonna stay behind the camera all the time? No, I'm with the mechanic because I'm getting my hands by. You thought I was gonna say getting dirty. No, I ain't getting dirty. I ain't getting dirty. That's what I got him for. Because I would hit my brake light and them whole things would come falling out if I did it. Because I'm gonna miss a screw. So that's why you gotta have this man right here to work on your car. Yeah. But this is the last modification for 2024. And I think it's going to be a nice one because it's going to match the wrap that's actually in the vehicle. But they've been a drop fit, you know, plug and play. You know, this is the connector here for the lights. I guess I can do the honor as they say the baby was delivered, and I'm going to put her in her. Boom. You heard the click? There you go.
There you go.
I did one thing. Yeah, my hand's dirty now.
Now you gotta lock them in.
Oh, now I gotta lock it in. Oh.
How you lock that in?
There it is. Boom. There it is. All right. So I want you all to see what it looks like. You guys may have seen these lights installed on a C8 or Z06 on Paragon. But now we're here in Bellwood, Illinois, and you're gonna see what it looks like on my C8 Z-Ray. So stay tuned. So I told you all I was gonna be getting my hands dirty. It's a two-man job, but I'm a three-man.
Espérate, que hay que conectar.
All right. Okay.
Beautiful.
All right. Can you see me, Todd?
No, I cannot. We're gonna try and come over here and get a little better. There we go.
I had it right?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. See, I plugged in 3 connectors.
So, mira.
Look at those babies there. Ooh-wee.
Oh boy.
Ooh boy. Ooh boy.
Oh boy.
Now this really matches the wrap like really great. So I'm gonna let you keep showing that, and I'm just looking to see where the stock lights went. Oh, they're in the box. Oh, sorry about that. Ooh-wee. Yes. I'm a happy camper now. So now you see the 2 sequential. I said it wrong.
Sequential. But
Sequential.
You gotcha.
You see
I'm
that?
gonna wreck your day, by the way.
Yeah, you're gonna wreck my day. Oh
You
yes.
know what?
Yes.
You know they got sequential.
And she is entitled to her opinion, but
All right, guys, we're gonna do the exit outro. The car is complete, and I'm gonna do a V-roll so you all can see exactly what it looks like. Everyone came out to take a look at it, and everybody's saying it looks really, really nice. So here.
Oh, those look bad. Those look nice.
Don't start it. Hold on. Hold on, I ain't ready. I'll let you know. 2 seconds. Go for it.
back too. Okay, go ahead. Turn signal. Right turn signal. All right. Hazard lights up at the top, middle. There you go. You know, they call me the light show, C8.